Hi to all of you, welcome back. In this video, we'll explain data modeling in simple terms and show you all of its incredible benefits, specifically when it comes to Power BI. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is data modeling? In simple terms, it's the process of organizing and structuring your data to make it more meaningful and insightful. In Power BI, this involves creating relationships between different pieces of data to build a solid foundation for analysis. When you open Power BI, you'll see the Fields pane on the right. This is where the magic begins. You start by creating tables, each representing a specific aspect of your data, like customers, products, or sales. Then, you establish relationships between these tables, defining how they interact. It's like connecting the dots in your data landscape. Now let's talk about the key components of data modeling in Power BI. We have tables, columns, relationships, calculated columns, measures, and even hierarchies. In the world of measures, we use DAX or data analysis expressions to create powerful calculations that dynamically respond to user interactions. It's like the magic language that makes your data come alive. Why should you care about data modeling in Power BI? Well, let me tell you about the incredible benefits it brings to the table. Firstly, optimized data models improve query performance. Your reports load faster, and user interactions become seamless, providing a smoother experience. Hierarchies and organized structures enhance user-friendliness. You can easily drill down into data, explore details, and derive insights effortlessly. And there you have it. Data modeling in Power BI is the key to unlocking the full potential of your data. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it. Subscribe for more in-depth content, and as always, keep exploring and learning. Until next time, happy modeling.